Man, oh man, I am telling you, if you guys survive this little bit of a correction, this little bit of a pullback, this basically month of declines that the price of Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing, you are going to see some very nice gains. How do I know that? Well, nobody knows for certain what's going to be coming next, but we can take a look at the statistics out there and see some of the reasons that cryptocurrency is facing such resistance and such downward pressure, and therefore we can see when we do overcome that, just how far Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the rest of them are going to run. So let's talk about the good news, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin, Binance, and Cryptonomy down there. Now, Cryptonomy offers awesome staking rewards, both flexible and fixed. So if you guys want to earn some passive income, make sure to check them out. Stack up during this bull market as much as you possibly can and take advantage of the crazy gains, both in passive income for staking and in the capital gains there. Also, oh, you know what? Thank you, bro merch and SHIB merch. Thank you guys very much for buying it out on Amazon. But honestly, if you buy anything off Amazon, it doesn't matter if it's your groceries, you're getting, I don't know, presents or gifts or just anything you would normally buy on Amazon. You're burning Shiba Inu Coin if you open Amazon through that link down there. It is that easy. Simply open Amazon through the link in the description. It doesn't matter if you guys live in the United States, Europe, United Kingdom, Canada, and Brazil. You can burn 1 to 1.5% of your average, purchase price. So you spend $100, you're burning about $1.50. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's free because it's money you would be spending it anyway. So let's just burn a portion of Amazon's profit and reduce the supply of Shiba Inu Coin. So thank you everybody for participating, sharing that link to everybody you know that shops on Amazon. I use that link every time I buy anything, and you guys wouldn't imagine cat litter would be burning Shiba Inu Coin, but it does. So make sure to check that out, guys. But it is a very difficult day once again so far for the price of Shiba Inu Coin, yes, but it's the overall market that's pulling back. You can see, especially if you've got these in a line on a graph here, the graphs look almost identical. Shiba Inu Coin is not the only coin falling today and facing resistance, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin as well. So let's talk about some of the reasons. And one of the, most apparent reasons for me is the uncertainty involved with the cryptocurrency enforcement lead at the SEC stepping down. I think that is one of the, largest reasons we're seeing the price of Shiba Inu Coin fall recently, but this is also a good reason here because this has a direct impact on the price. I came across an article that says an insane amount of Bitcoin shorters are hoping it's not going to go back up above $70,000 per coin. So let's talk about this. A hefty amount of Bitcoin short positions will be wiped out if Bitcoin returns to $70,000, a price level that it hasn't seen in 12 days. Interesting. Now, why would people be shorting Bitcoin at $70,000? Simply because it's the all-time high, okay? Anytime, and it happens a little bit more in a real bull market scenario, but anytime an asset is hitting an all-time high, it does not matter if it's got reasoning behind it or not. There's a certain group of people, these are the bears typically, that think, man, it is way too expensive. It has never been this expensive before throughout history, therefore we must short it. It's at an all-time high. It has to come back down. And I'm telling you right now, okay, you can, I've had this mentality before, and you can run into a lot of trouble shorting an asset simply because it's hitting an all-time high, right? Yes, it is viewed as expensive, But just imagine a couple years ago, Bitcoin was viewed as very expensive at 19,000. A few years prior, Bitcoin was viewed as very expensive at 1,000. A few years prior, Bitcoin was viewed as expensive at $100, at $50, at $1 per coin. Bitcoin was viewed as expensive. So just because something is gaining in value and gaining in price does not mean that it is expensive and should be shorted. But these people dig themselves into a very, very large hole. CoinGlass shows a staggering $1.67 billion worth of short positions will be liquidated if Bitcoin returns to $70,000 per coin. Now, what this is going to cause is more shorts. Because if one thing happens, it is these people do not want to be liquidated. And they're not necessarily shorting Shiba Inu Coin, but it has direct effect on the price of Shiba Inu Coin because, of course, Bitcoin is so large, it controls the overall market sentiment. If Bitcoin is going up, you're very, very likely to see Shiba Inu Coin going up. And if Bitcoin is going down, you're very, very likely to see Shiba Inu Coin going down as well. These people will double down. They will try to short further. They will try to put even more pressure if Bitcoin begins to rise once again. If we bust through that level, and these $1.67 billion worth of short positions on Bitcoin alone are broken, you should expect to see a very nice run. It says there's an insane amount of Bitcoin short liquidations piling up to the top side. This trader said, according to CoinMarketCap, a 7.46% increase from its current price brings us back to that $70,000 mark. Guys, if Bitcoin hits a 7% increase, if we bust these short positions and they become liquidated, there's going to be very, very little resistance on the screen at that point, both technical and short. Markets are incredibly bullish right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum liquidations are stacked, people are claiming, or analysts, I should say, are claiming. Bitcoin open interest, which is the total value of all outstanding or unsettled Bitcoin futures contracts across exchanges, dropped 10.99%, reaching its all-time high on June 7th to $33.55 billion. Guys, the markets are extremely bullish right now. Yes, we're in a pullback, and that is okay, but the overall market sentiment, there's nothing but good news on the horizon. We are near technical breaks on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hopefully Solana. After this pullback, it results in a little bit of a bounce that we need to get back up to these highs. It is going to be very easy to break through, and Shiba Inu Coin could soar higher on the news. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you're optimistic, if you're pessimistic, let me know down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.